In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate emails in Monday.com. This feature is incredibly handy for streamlining your workflow and ensuring that key tasks are communicated efficiently. To get started, make sure you are logged into your Monday.com account and navigate over to the board that you want to automate. This is your central hub, where all the magic happens. Once you're on the board, the first thing you'll want to do is locate and click on the Automate button. It's usually positioned at the top right corner of your screen, and clicking it opens a new range of options for automation. Here's where you start shaping how your emails and notifications will automatically be sent out. You're now at a point where you need to create the automation from scratch. Click Create from Scratch to start crafting a custom automation tailored to your needs. The system will prompt you to define a trigger, which essentially is the event that kicks off the automated email process. Click on When this happens and specify the trigger action. This might be when a task status changes, a date arrives, or when a new item is added. After defining when the automation should activate, you need to set the specifics by clicking on the status changes to something. Here, select the exact status value that will trigger the email. For instance, if you want the email to send once the task is marked as completed, choose that specific status. Once you've selected it, click on Done to confirm your choice. Now let's define the action that follows. Click on Move Item to Group, which allows you to indicate that an action, in this case an email, should be sent. You'll want to specify the email action by clicking Email. Here, you'll provide the email details. Begin by typing in the subject line. Keep it clear and concise so the recipient immediately understands the email's purpose. Next, move on to crafting the body of your email. Type in your message, ensuring that it is clear, suitable to the context, and does exactly what you want the recipient to focus on. Use this opportunity to include any critical details regarding the task or update. After composing the message, determine who should receive the email by clicking on Someone to select the recipients or specify the email address of the person you want to notify. Finally, complete your setup by clicking Create Automation. This saves your settings and your automation is now live. Every time the specified trigger occurs, an email will be dispatched automatically based on the criteria you set. And there you have it. Your emails will now send seamlessly as part of your Monday.com workflow. This automation not only saves time, but ensures that updates are consistently being communicated to your team. Enjoy your newfound control and efficiency.